What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today got to get more parts together. The weather is crappy and we still got the car outside, so it's kind of difficult to work on it, but we got to find some stuff, right? We got to find some stuff. So that's stuff. We're gonna hunt. We got stuff. We got stuff. Okay, we got stuff back here. The hunt begins again. All right, guys, so there's several different things we need to source today. We need a set of ponies, 4 good ponies. We need, there's quad shock brackets right there. We need quad shock brackets, and we're gonna hunt some fuel lines. And we're not using that fan for sure. I'll get another one of those. But I think fuel lines are still in this car, aren't they? No, they're gone. Oh. Yeah, they're gone. Left on that is good. Yeah. Here and there. Poor turd had a hard life. But I want to tell you there was some other stuff. But anyway, guys, that's the plan today. We're gonna try to get everything rounded up in one place. All right, boys. Next on the list, I'm gonna find. We got some new struts hanging around in here, so we can get the K member, the all fresh and clean K member, back under it. Oh, I see them. There they are. Gabriel. Brand new Gabriel struts. Look at there. Get these bad boys put on there. All right, gentlemen. So, brand new old stock struts going on. Get rid of these. I'm almost positive these are original. They say Motocraft right there. I'm pretty sure these are the original struts, but they as you can see, I think they've seen better days. Whew. All right, boys, so we got the bushings and collars and everything off. I'll clean these up, make them nice and pretty, put them back on the new struts. That job will be done. All right, boys, so here we go. Got the dust boots all cleaned up, shined up, as you can see. Got the brand new struts in it. And then we're gonna pull those quad shock brackets off the other car. And then we had these. These are off a 30,000 mile car. And they've been sitting here forever. And clean those up. And like I said, 30,000 mile quad shocks and brackets. And bolt those in. She'll officially be V8 in the rear. All right, guys, so this is what we did. Everybody voted and said, yeah, we should bring the car down just a little bit. Even though it's going to be on stock springs, we want to bring it down just a little bit. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cut one full coil out. It's starting to get hot, man. What do you think? Get a jack up under it?
Yeah. There's no good way to jack them up, though, is the problem. Remember?
Should be sitting around here somewhere.
Oh, it's all lit up.
Yeah.
I think it had you back already.
All right, boys, so there you go. One coil out, and go leave the isolators out too. Why? Because that'll give it just that little extra She'll be good to go.
Make it easier to get that spring in.
You got it. You got it. Let's see.
Well, we might have to get in, but no.
Yeah. That in there.
Easy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I got it in. I just need to turn it. Let me just have to let it back down. Do it.
All right, boys. So here we go. Springs are in. New struts are in. Next up, clearly got to get you some new backing plates, bearings, rotors, all of that. And we'll be able to sit her back on the ground with all new parts. Nothing wrong with that at all. Clean K-member looking good. Not 100% bolted in yet, but she's in there. And then we'll head over here around the other side and just check it out. Yeah. Good to go. Love it. Gonna have a nice stance. And also I've got new Prothane end links for the sway bar, and then need to get some body sway bar mounts, and then the brackets. Should be good to go. All right, guys, back at the donor car. I know we're kind of all over the place, but as things hit me, I'm remembering things. Come on, open up, open up, open up. There you go. Crap. Okay, I don't see the cluster, y'all. It was out here somewhere. All right, so I'm gonna have to find the cluster. We've got a bunch of like 92, 93. Hell, we got the cluster out of my car. What's that, buddy? We got the cluster out of my car, but being a newer car, I don't think it's gonna work. And there's no cluster in this car either, so we're gonna have to find the cluster. And the other thing I'm not gonna bore you with, guys, is you can see this pile of pony wheels over here. I'm gonna go through, and then we've got some underneath the car over there. I'm gonna go through and find ones that have no curb rash. And I think I actually moved some over here that did have a butt. Yeah, see, we're not gonna use that one or that one. Yeah, I think that's why these are over here anyway. So yeah, no go on these. What was wrong with that one? That one had a little bit. We're gonna refinish the pony wheels too, make those look good. And probably pick one of these lowers to send out and get blasted. Probably this one, because it's not sand cast. As you can see right in here, no sand cast marks, sand cast marks. I don't like how these look. I'm a little OCD like that. And then I'm gonna refinish the valve covers, upper plenum. Hey, there's another one right there. But yeah, guys, lots and lots of progress on Project 4 to 8. Again, guys, if you're not familiar with Project 4 to 8, click the link down in the description. I'm giving the car away. It's just something that I've always wanted to do, like a dream of mine, I guess. So regardless of, you know, we hit the 500 number or not, the Elite 500 number, and somebody wins a Coyote build, I'm giving this car away. And that's just because of all of you guys that have supported me and stuck with me all this time and make possible what I do. That's what this is all about. And I can't wait to do it. It's gonna be amazing. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I gotta go find some wheels. Later.